first cruising, we decided to take my mom and my auntie. This is their first time cruising. We are waiting for room. Oh. It's been a long time. Almost 3 hours. First time cruising. Hey guys, so we're already here. Appa, day 1, Harmony of the Sea. Ooh, where's Mama?
Mama and Mama Leggies are sleeping. They are tired. You know, day 1 we drove 4 hours and they just tired. Probably they will wake up very strong. So we'll have a lot of fun tomorrow.
Yeah, baby. So we here. Beautiful. Look at this 6th floor. Harmony of the Sea. Love it. Nice. Look at how beautiful this place is. Nice. Yeah.
We are here in the cruise ship and look at the Chops Grill. Look at the garden. Amazing, guys. Look at the room. So we are in the cruise ship, guys. Very, very nice.
This is really nice. It's called the park. I don't know this place. I will recommend it, you guys. Harmony of the Sea. Oh my gosh. This is our 3rd time cruising and I will tell you, I love it. Beautiful. It gives, it's beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Wow, baby.
What?
Beautiful.
I know.
How do you like this place, Kyle?
It's good.
It's beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Come explore the forest.
Yeah? Alright guys, so as you guys know, cruise has so much activities. So these activities actually was representing all holidays in United States, and here you can see they're wearing Valentine's Day costume and it's so beautiful. It's just that there's so much activity to see. Yes, so based on our experience on a different cruising, this Harmony of the Sea actually is the best cruise for kids. If you're planning to bring your children here, they will have a lot of fun. There's so much activities for them. Not only this area, we had a chance to explore and find out other activities that can be really good for kids. Kyle, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yes, so Sea Day actually is the day that you get to explore and find the beautiful places to take a picture, videos. This is really nice. This is all the way at the back of the ship and we get to enjoy this beautiful view. It's really nice. Yes, so now let's go find where is my mom.
1400, Jackson, 1100, Craig Raymond, 625, Tiffany Williams.
Hello. Nice. Look at the elephant.
It's an elephant.
Oh, this is cute. Okay. How far are we?
We are in the Gulf of Mexico. Time to walk away.
Alright, day one, evening. So much still to see. This is really nice robotic bartender. They make a drink for you. All you have to do is just order from iPad. And right here, it was beautiful evening coming from dinner, and you have a chance to take a beautiful picture. It's really nice. I'm sure they're having a good time. Alright, so this is Costa Maya, Mexico. We just came back to outside walking. It was really nice walk. It was super hot. We decided to come back inside the cruise ship and explore more, just to walk around. I believe today is day 2.
This is a robotic bartender, so there is no people here. All you have to do, it's a small iPad, you have to order it. I will show you after this. You guys can see I ordered some drinks here. It was so easy and very cool to see robotic making.
Nice. Look at all these bottles. Nice. Has so much drinks, and all you have to do, you just have to order from the little iPad, and this robot right here will make a drink for you, and the drink will be put it over there, and then you have to scan your key right here, so the drink will literally automatically come right here, so you grab it. It's really cool, really cool. Nice technology on a cruise ship. But so far we're here in Honduras, so we're gonna go outside a little bit.
I still wanted to go. Oh, this is what it's called.
Oh, it's called a Bionic Bar. Yes.
Forward control point.
This is
Next to Zone 6, port side. Entrance to main switchboard room. Forward control point.
This
Next
is.
to Zone 6, port side. Entrance to main switchboard room.
So we're here on deck 5. Most of the time when we decided to go outside, we usually go a little bit late because of the traffic. So much people, they want to get out, and plus we are not rushing. Nice. Look at this one. I want to go in this one. It's nice. Honduras, Honduras. Honduras, Honduras. Let me move your head right there. A picture to me? I don't think so. Day 4, Honduras, Roatan. Alright, so we decided to come back inside. It was really hot, but look at Appa is having a good time. Yes, really hot outside, and plus walking, we couldn't do it. So yeah, we came back inside and just relaxing, walking around, go eat, go have fun, and we still have more days to go.